What's up, guys? A little trade recap. Not trading with real money, just paper trading. And even actually, we'll get into it in a second. But coming into the day, was looking at these highs to get taken, and also some sell side targets in case we um, decide to go lower. But the clear draw on liquidity was higher. So we open up market here and get some huge candles up that take London, I think. Yeah, take London highs on both, I think. No, actually. So S&T actually did not notice that there was an S&T there at first. Um, so here we hit EQ and hit the 5 minute gap. I thought this could be a good continuation if we went straight back up, but we did not. We go all the way down here and take out 930 lows um, on both. And on the 5 minute, we completely mitigate the highest gap and then we tap the lower gap. So really nice continuation gap. And so here, the highest is 2 minute. So I'm just waiting for that 2 minute to get inverted, but it doesn't invert here. And then a 3 minute opens up and a 4 minute. So then the 2 minute doesn't matter anymore. And then, oh, I skipped too far. Um, so here on the 4 minute, I want, oh, I was hoping that the 4 minute would invert on this candle, but it doesn't. And then we just chop a bit. So honestly, I wasn't loving the entry here. Um, just because of all these wicks, honestly. But here we invert the 4 minute. This was probably a trade of the day. I didn't really see anything else. Um, but I didn't love the chop on the 1 minute, but on the 4 minute, it's pretty clean. So I probably should just taken this. But I was paper trading anyway, so it didn't really matter. Uh, I just couldn't figure out the position times in time. And by the time I had the position sizes, it was already like well into the is already up here. So didn't really matter anyways. But then it runs to TP at 1 to 1, kind of retraces here, but it didn't hit break even anyways. Let me just wick it out here. And if TP was at these, I think it's 4 hour highs, then it would have hit too. So either 1 to 1 or 1.4. And then stop loss was at the 4 minute lows, the body, or 1 minute OB, right? Like there. So yeah, pretty great trade, honestly. And then we keep going up. And here I'm like, okay, this is the main draw on liquidity. But then we retrace a bit, and I was like, this is like not a bad entry. Because we inverted the 1 minute, hit the 5 minute. But honestly, I feel like it's just too premium. Would have been better if we hit like a, well, there's no 15 actually. But if we went down and hit like this gap, and also the target on ES was this. The 4 hour one wasn't really a target. I think it already got hit, or maybe it just didn't exist. But ES already took this main high. So it's kind of trading as an SMT. So this wasn't really good. And then once I realized it was an SMT, then I just closed it, which was good because boom. And then we kind of just go down and do nothing for the rest of the session. I don't think there's a 5 minute continuation down. Yeah, nothing. So that's it. Just trying to figure out the positions and stuff here. Um, yeah, no actual trade. But this is probably like A rated, A plus, honestly. Probably A because I didn't love the 1 minute. The inversion wasn't the strongest, in my opinion. But the rest was pretty clean. The draw was super obvious today, and the way we respected this 30 minute was super clean too. So yeah. All right, that's it. Um, Probably do this again on Monday. Um, and I might make a back testing video also. But yeah, thanks for watching.